Explain why meiosis and gametogenesis are always interlinked. Why are they interlinked? Okay, so our answer goes like gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Break down gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of male and female gametes. Gametes are sex cells. Is associated with reduction. With what? Reduction in chromosome numbers, and thus the gamete form contains half of the set of, contains what? Kids, half of the set of chromosome to the parental cell. Thus, gametogenesis is interlinked with meiosis because in meiosis, reduction of chromosome number from diploid set to haploid set takes place. Simple. Simple. Let's look at it again. Gametogenesis means what? Formation of gametes. Formation of gametes means formation of male and female sex cells. This involves what? Reduction of chromosome numbers. Thus, gametes form contain half of the chromosome of a parent cell, and so gametogenesis is always interlinked with meiosis because in meiosis, reduction of chromosome numbers from diploid to haploid set takes place. So this is your answer number 10.